Good morning to all of my name is Samadhan Pimpre, and today I am going to discuss the topic encapsulation in Java. So what is meant by encapsulation? Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule, which is a mix of several medicines. We can create a fully encapsulated class in Java by making all data members of the class private. Now we can use setter and getter method to set and get the data in it. The next, the Java bin class is the example of a fully encapsulated class. Advantages of encapsulation in Java: by providing only a setter or getter method, you can make the class ready only or write only. In other words, you can skip the getter or setter method. The next, it provides you the control over the data. Suppose you want to set the value of id which should be greater than 100 only. You can write the logic inside the setter method. You can write the logic not to store the negative numbers in the setter method. It is a way to achieve data hiding in Java because other class will not be able to access the data through the private data members. The encapsulate class is easy to test, so it is better for unit testing. The standard IDs are providing the facility to generate the getters and setters. So it is easy and fast to create an encapsulated class in Java. Then next we discuss about access modifier in Java. So private access modifier, default access modifier, protected access modifier. Then next public access modifier with method overriding. There are two types of modifier in Java: access modifier and non-access modifier. The access modifier in Java specify the accessibility or scope of a field, method, constructor or class. We can change the access level of field, constructors, methods and class by applying the access modifier on it. There are four types of Java access modifier. Private. The access level of a private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. The next, default constructor. The access level of a default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be default protected. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. The next, public. The access level of a public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronize, native, volatile, then transient, etc. Here we are going to learn access modifier only. First one is a private. The private access modifier is accessible only within the class. Then next we discuss about default. If you don't use any modifier, it is treated as default by default. The default modifier is accessible only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. It provides more accessibility than private, but it is a more restrictive than protected. And public. Then third one is a protected. The protected access modifier is accessible within the package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. The protected access modifier can be applied on the data members, methods and constructor. It can be applied on the class. It provides more accessibility than the default modifier. Fourth one is a public. The public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has the widest scope among all other modifiers. That's today's my topic. That's all about today's topic, and thank you so much for your kind